Here's our second word problem here on the review sheet, problem 14. It says black ice is an ice covering on roads that is especially difficult to see and therefore extremely dangerous for motorists. The distance that a car traveling 30 miles per hour will slide after its brakes are applied is related to the outside temperature by the formula C equals 1/4 D minus 45, where C is the Celsius temperature. Okay? So C is the temperature using the Celsius or centigrade readings, and D is the distance in feet the car will slide. So D is the distance the car will slide if it's going 30 miles per hour, and that's distance in feet. It says determine the distance a car traveling 30 miles per hour. You see, 30 miles per hour isn't explicitly in the formula, is it? The C stands for temperature, the D stands for distance. The 30 miles per hour doesn't enter into the exact formula. It's already built into the 1/4 and the 45. If we were talking about a car going 60 miles per hour, those numbers would probably be different than they are for a car going 30 miles per hour. So determine the distance a car traveling 30 miles per hour will slide on the black ice when the outside temperature is negative 11 degrees centigrade. So they've given us the C value, haven't they? Didn't they tell us the C value was negative 11? And now they want us to find the distance that that car would slide. And we have a linear equation in one variable we can solve. And we can solve that using our technique that we've always used for solving linear equations in one variable. And we'll start by getting rid of the fractions. We'll multiply both sides of the equation by 4. So 4 times negative 11 equals 4 times 1/4 D minus 4 times 45. 4 times negative 11 is negative 44. 4 times 1/4, that cancels to 1. 1 times D is D. Minus 4 times 45, oh, let's see. 4 times 45, isn't that 180? 2 times 45 is 90, and 90 and 90 would be 180. And now I would simply add 180 to both sides of the equation in order to isolate the D. And negative 44 plus 180, isn't that 136? You owe $44, but you have $180. Aren't you $136 in the good? And that's 136 what? Well, D stands for distance in feet. So we might say something like this. Car would slide 136 feet. That's how far a car going 30 miles per hour would slide if the outside temperature was negative 11 degrees centigrade. And we used that formula that we had been given that related the temperature to the distance the car would slide to answer that question.